So, naghahanap ka ba ng pabango na gagamitin mo sa Christmas or simbang gabi? Or naghahanap ka lang ng pangregalo? Here's my top 10 most recommended based on what I have reviewed so far. And if you know me, alam nyo, masayaran ako sa mga inspired perfumes. But here is my top 10 most recommended local inspired perfumes. At my number 10 spot, I have here Father and Son Gentleman. If you're into fresh, yet sweet, yet powdery type of scent, Gentleman is the scent for you. If ang hanap mo naman is yung Fuckboy scent, fruity, vanilla scent ni Eros, then let's go for the Enzo scent Eros. It has it all. Medyo, alam mo na, medyo nakukulangan lang ako. Pero when it comes to the Eros line, this is the closest so far. It has that sweetness, it has that lemon and green apple scent. If gusto mo naman ng fresh type ni Eros, for my number 8, I have here HSI Signature Flame. It is one of the best flame copies or inspired so far. And you can only get this for a very cheap price. But if you're looking for a sweet gourmand type of scent, you can always go for the Cemetery Loves Stronger With You Intensely. I think you can never go wrong. This is one of the closest inspired Stronger With You Intensely that you can ever find in the local run. If naghahanap ka naman ng very versatile na scent, day, night, kahit sa okasyon, you can go for the Father and Son Debonair. You can never go wrong with this. It's inspired of Creed Aventus, and knowing Creed Aventus, you can wear them all day long. Nasiyo na ang lahat. If ikaw naman ay isang Katniel fan na gusto mag-amoy fresh, then Enzo scent Eclat is the go for you. One of the best inspired perfumes na nakuha nila sa Eclat scent. And Enzo scent did it best compared to other brands. Before we go to top 5, I have here my honorable mention. Enzo scent Sexy Project, HSI BDC, Percent Ultramil, New York Army Manhattan, and Father and Son Sparrow. If you're into red bubble cup type of scent, then Father and Son Sailor is for you. If hindi lang siya inspired ng Ultramale, and it is just the scent itself, Father and Son Sailor is one of my most favorite inspired, or if not, local brand perfumes. For my number 3 spot, I have here Enzo scent JPG Elixir. If you are looking for that sweet, minty lavender and the heat of Tabasco, this one is for you. And I think this is the only JPG Elixir inspired that you can find in the market, and it's also one of the closest, if not similar to the OG JPG Elixir. At the number 2 spot, at this point, it's already my favorite. I have here the HSI Ultramale. Actually, I'm planning to give this away kasi nga lang naging favorite ko na siya, so sorry sa hindi ko nabigyan ito. I have to keep it. It's super good. It's super similar. It's super close. Actually, around 85 to 95, even 95% similar to the OG JPG Ultramale. Ito tayo, guys. And for the number 1 spot, drum roll, I have here Cemetery Loves Gentle Savage. It is the, best inspired na kuhang-kuha talaga niya si Dior Sauvage Elixir. And it is also my favorite. And hindi ko naman siguro isasuggest sa inyo kung hindi ko siya favorite, di ba? Anyways, that is my top 10. If hindi mo nagustuhan yun, magkakaiba-iba tayo ng ilong, magkakaiba tayo ng preference. But that is my top 10 na pwede nyong gamitin sa Christmas or you can gift it. So, sa mga may jowa dyan, tag nyo na lang siguro girlfriend ninyo dito para bilhan nila kayo ng mga fragrance. Anyways, yun lang guys. Peace. Anyways guys, naglagay pala ako ng yellow basket dito. So, I hope hindi nyo sana masamahin. Pero it's just for me to help you find these fragrances kung hindi ko siya mahanap or kung tabad kayo. Pero you can always still go for the orange up or sa shop mismo ng mga stores na ito. But yeah, please check out kung sakali na gusto nyo lang naman. Yun lang. Peace.